Dear student of Standard 9, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. Today I will discuss chapter 13, lecture 7. At first, multiple choice question. Number 1, which one is extra tax revenue? Here you have seen that land revenue, income tax, forest, vehicle tax. So here land revenue, income tax and vehicle tax, these are the tax revenue, isn't it? So answer will be forest, that is extra tax revenue is forest. Number 2, which one is the main head of expenditure of the government of Bangladesh? Okay, so you have seen here that is defense, education, non-government administration, foreign affairs. So here answer will be defense is the main head of expenditure of the government of Bangladesh. Number 3, which one below is the function of the Sonali Bank? So here you can see in A number, to give money to import vehicle from abroad, to keep accounts of foreign loan, to give money for installing tubewells in lands for irrigation, to give banking facility without security. So here we have seen that the answer will be function of the Sonali Bank is to give money for installing tubewells in lands for irrigation. Number 4, the function of Bangladesh Bank is number giving loan to the government, giving loan to the commercial bank in time of crisis, giving loan for doing business. So obviously the function of the Bangladesh Bank is giving loan to the government and giving loan to the commercial bank in time of crisis. But 3 number is the function of the commercial bank. So answer will be 1 and 2. Now here is a paragraph and you have to answer question number 4 and 5. Landless Nurjahan Begum of Sundarpur village received training on poultry rearing from a local organization. The organization lent Nurjahan Begum 10,000 taka. Nurjahan Begum is now solvent by rearing poultry. So here, what organization Nurjahan Begum has taken loan? So here is landless Nurjahan Begum. So obviously, the Nurjahan Begum has taken loan from the Grameen Bank. Number 5, the role of the organization giving loan to Nurjahan Begum is. So that means the role of Grameen Bank. Okay, so number 1, to assist in the completion of the national budget. So no, this is not the role of the Grameen Bank. Number 2, to give loan to the women without security. Yes, this is correct answer. And number 3, to protect the poor people from the exploitation of the royal money lenders. So here answer will be 2 and 3. That means answer will be C. That means 2 and 3. In your book there is wrong, that is there is 1 and 3, so you will make correct it, so that their correct answer will be 2 and 3. Now creative question. Two friends of Shopipur village, Mamun and Nafis, live in the village. After obtaining the BA degree, Mamun has taken loan amounting to Taka 5 lakh from a financial organization to install a deep tubewell to cultivate his paternal property. The farmers of the village are able to produce more crops through cultivation by using the water of Mamun's tubewell. And another information, that is Nafis has taken Taka 20 lakh from a bank by mortgaging his house and has started a garments factory and 100 laborers of the village at Nafis factory. The garments produced in Nafis factory are being exported abroad. The young people of the village are playing a vital role in poverty alleviation by work at Nafis factory. So you can understand that Mamun belongs to, or Mamun has taken loan from the Krishi Bank and Nafiz has taken loan from the commercial bank, isn't it? So number A, how many classes are the banks mainly divided? So the banks mainly divided into 3 classes, isn't it? That means commercial bank, central bank and specialized bank. What is identified currency? So the money which is issued by the central bank is called the identified currency. C number, explain the function in poverty alleviation of the bank from which Mamun has taken loan. That is, you will write the function of the Krishi bank. So here you will write the bank from which Mamun has got loan is Krishi Bank. So in this team you have seen that Mamun has taken loan amounting 5 lakh taka from our financial organization to install a deep tubewell to cultivate his paternal property. So obviously this type of activity are done by the Krishi Bank. Okay. So here you will write the function of the Krishi Bank in C number. D number, the role of bank from which Nafiz has taken loan is important in economic development. Explain. So here I have told that Nafiz has taken loan from the commercial bank, isn't it? Because Nafiz has taken taka 20. So in D number you will explain the function of the commercial bank. Now criteria number 2. Prapti and Dipto are the students of class 8. Prapti's father is an importer of foreign car, and this year Prapti's father has got the price of the highest taxpayer. Dipto's father is working in a bank at GM every year. Dipto's father also pays tax to the government. So this type of creative you have solved in your assignment, isn't it? So number A, what is the minimum rate of target of annual loan disbursements of the bank and financial organizations for agriculture and rural development? So here will be the minimum rate of target of annual loan disbursement of the bank and financial organizations for agriculture and rural development is 25%. That is minimum 25% of target, isn't it? B number, explain the important sector of expenditure of Bangladesh government. So here education sector is the important sector of expenditure of Bangladesh government. So in B number you will explain the education sector. C number, what type of tax does the Dipto's father give to the government? So here we can see in the system that is Dipto's father is working in a bank as a GM every year and he has to pay tax to the government. So obviously Dipto's father pay income tax for income purposes. So C number you will explain income tax. D number A, the tax that Prapti's father gives to the government is the only source of income of the government. Do you support this statement? So here we can see that is Prapti's father is an importer of foreign cars. So for import any goods we have to pay what? We have to pay the customs to the government. So custom is not the only sources of income of the government. So besides custom there are many other sources, income sources of the government. So here in D number you will start that is no, I don't support this statement. Besides custom there are other sources of income. So you will explain here the tax revenue sources and the extra tax revenue sources in this case. Okay. So dear students, today up to this, and this is my last lecture on these topics or on this chapter, and I have also completed your second term syllabus also. Okay, so up to this, goodbye everyone.